Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Garage. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Jaecoo J8, a 7-seat SUV making waves in the automotive world. On the exterior, the Jaecoo J8 boasts a bold and modern design. Its front fascia features a prominent grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a commanding road presence. The sculpted lines along the sides and the muscular wheel arches add to its robust appearance, while the rear showcases stylish taillights and a subtle spoiler, enhancing its sporty appeal. Stepping inside, the J8 offers a spacious and luxurious cabin. High-quality materials adorn the interior, with soft-touch surfaces and premium upholstery. The dashboard is dominated by a large infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with the digital instrument cluster, providing intuitive access to vehicle controls and entertainment options. The seating configuration is versatile, accommodating up to 7 passengers, with ample legroom and comfort for long journeys. Under the hood, the Jaecoo J8 is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 245 horsepower and 385 Nm of torque. This powerplant is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The J8's performance is further enhanced by its adaptive suspension system, providing a balanced ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrains. In terms of pricing, the Jaecoo J8 positions itself competitively within the SUV market. While exact figures may vary by region, it's expected to offer a compelling value proposition, combining luxury features with robust performance at a reasonable price point. In summary, the 2025 Jaecoo J8 impresses with its striking design, luxurious interior, capable performance, and attractive pricing. It's a strong contender for those seeking a versatile and stylish SUV. For a more in-depth look, check out our detailed video review linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and automotive content.